It's well known that if you divide up your paddocks, you not only utilise your pasture better, it's better for soil health and it's better for your stock and it lowers your feed bills. But the problem comes when you go to divide up your paddocks and you've got to pull down existing fences to put a new end assembly in. What if you didn't have to? What if there was a cost-effective and easy way of dividing up your paddocks and it's simple and can be done in a weekend? Let me show you how to do it. This is going to be the easiest and quickest end assembly you've ever put together. All you need is one fence stay kit, one steel stock post, preferably a 6-footer, and it's going to be strong too. Let me show you how it works. There's minimal mucking around. All I've got to do is take the top wire off this post and I'm set to go. The rest of the existing fence can stay in place. Now let's get to know our kit. We've got a top bar that's got 2 collars, one at each end, and a diagonal that's got only one. We're just going to use the top bar for now. Now we're just going to mark out where we put our inside post on the end assembly. So I'm going to line the collar up with the existing fence post over here. Get my fence nice and straight with where I want to head. And then bang your stock post in on the mark. Next! Now that we've got the post in and the top wire from the existing fence unclipped, all we have to do is put together our kit. We simply slot it into place like this and then use the 2 supplied bolts and nuts to loosely put it together. Leaving them a little bit loose at this stage just gives you that bit of adjustment. Right, now let's put this whole thing together. And the rest of it is easy. Just slip the collars on over your 2 posts. You might have to just pull them in together nice and tight as you go. Now all we have to do is tie off each of the collars to the steel posts using the pre-drilled holes and a bit of tie wire. Finally, clip your existing fence's top wire back onto the steel post. Job's done. Well, there you go. A couple of minutes and we've got a sturdy steel end assembly that works in both directions. So we're ready to take our fence off across this paddock, divide it up, get more productivity, reduce the weeds, get better stock health. But more importantly, we haven't wasted a whole lot of time and we haven't had to tear down existing fences, which can be a real problem with traditional end assembly installation for these purposes. You can also hang a gate off these. There's a link in the description for a video all on that. And the other thing I love about this is because it's a steel end assembly that works equally well in both directions, you can actually tie a fence in that paddock off on this post once you've got it all set up, and it will hold that as well. So you needn't be worried about too much work. It is really easy to divide up your paddocks as long as you use the right gear. Guys, send this video to someone who needs to get on top of their paddock management, and if you like this kind of video, hit the subscribe button because otherwise you'll miss out. There's 2 or 3 of these videos every week.